In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw ER diagram in Draw.io. Now, you actually have two options of how to do this. So the first one is by going to Arrange up top, and then you want to click on Insert. And then here, when you click on Insert, you want to click on Template, and you can go ahead and go up here and look in Entity. There we go. And then click on Enter, and it's going to find you these entity diagrams or entity relationships. And you can go ahead and click on Insert over here. And as you can see, this is kind of just a sample. You can then go ahead and use, change, or of course, do whatever you want with it. Now, that's the first way. But the second one is you can go ahead and actually create them yourself by just going over here to Entity Relation. And then here you can just put one of these in, for example, one of these tables, and you can move this around or do, of course, whatever you want with it. You put in another one, there we go, and you can create your arrows by hovering over the first one. For example, you can see there's an arrow. You can just go ahead and drag it down here to the second one, just like this. So you can create it yourself as well, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.